Hey, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the differences between affiliate marketing and wholesaling your products on Amazon. Now, before I do though, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and now let's get into the video. I'm going to answer that, but I'm very, very interested to hear your thoughts on how they're different. How do you think affiliate marketing and wholesaling is different? So I will tell you a little story whilst you are typing something into the chat. Back in the day, I was an affiliate marketer. So that's what I did. That's how I earned my living. And I was one of the biggest affiliates for Amazon back in the day. And also one of the biggest affiliates, for a group called ClickBank. So I was one of their Apex members, which meant that I was one of the top 100 affiliates in the world for ClickBank, which at that time, I think they had 250,000 affiliates, something like that. And so I was invited into their Apex program, blah, 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 blah. And it wasn't unusual for me to make, in a week, £50,000. Back then, this was in the UK. It wasn't unusual for me to make £50,000 in a week as an affiliate marketer. But what happened was Amazon changed. Surprise, surprise. Amazon changed all of their policies. To begin with, we were making, depending on the product, between 8 and 15% per sale. So if we were selling flat screen TVs for Amazon, for instance, then we would make 15% per sale. So if the TV sold for £1,000, I would get paid £150, which was great. And I was selling a lot of TVs. But then one day, Amazon emailed me to tell me they were revising all of their affiliate commissions. And that particular product went from paying out £150 to paying out £26 overnight. And that just decimated that business. In fact, that completely ruined all of that. And it wasn't just Amazon. I mean, there was other folks I was doing affiliates for. I was doing affiliate marketing for shitloads of people. It decimated all of that. So I learned as a result of that you really ought to be in control of what you're doing to maintain long-term stability and security in a business. If you want to feed your family for the long term, it's important that you control or have some control over what you're doing. Now, ClickBank did exactly the same thing, whereby was a different thing with ClickBank. I probably can't really talk about too much of it because there was a whole legal thing with those guys, but they changed things too. Okay, that's the bottom line. I had affiliate networks that I was affiliate for go bankrupt, and so we didn't get paid our payouts for it, and all sorts of shit. And it really, really, really woke me up to being an affiliate marketer. So I think within that, I may have given you some ideas about why I don't particularly like doing affiliate marketing anymore long term. I'll give a caveat to that in a second. But what do you think? So Yvette says, wholesaling is buying at a discount and selling. Affiliate means you don't buy stock. Yet you don't have any stock to buy as an affiliate. John, commissions per sale. Wholesale is margin per sale. Kathy, wholesaling is getting permission to sell a product. You purchase the product at a wholesale price, sell it for retail. Brian, affiliate where you make commission on selling other companies' markets. All right, so I think you guys have nailed it. I prefer, as a strategy, wholesale, given that I'm not going to private label. My number one thing is private label. Here's why. Money. Let's talk about money to begin with. So an affiliate product, the amount you make per sale is a lot lower than if you were wholesaling that product. So an affiliate product versus a wholesale product, the amount you make per sale is much, much lower. Now, The good thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to buy any stock. So you haven't got an initial upfront investment. However, wholesale, it's not like you have to buy thousands of dollars worth of stock. I've wholesale products where I've spent, $80 on stock to buy 10 units of a product to test. $80, that's not a big investment as far as a business is concerned, but the rewards are much, much bigger. The rewards are much, much bigger. Talking of rewards, let's talk about the business side of things. So if you are an affiliate for somebody, then they control the business. They control when the product gets sent out. They control the customer details. You don't get access to any of that or have any control over that. So an affiliate has full control. You as the affiliate marketer has zero control. And they get all the good stuff. You're building their business for them rather than your business for you. So there's that too. Whereas with wholesale, you get to build your own business. You can sell a wholesale business. It's very, very difficult to sell an affiliate business. So there's that too. Most people, for me, affiliate marketing is kind of like drop shipping. It is same but different name, okay? And I don't like drop shipping either. And again, it's because of those reasons. I personally believe if you want to feed your family for the long term, you should build a real business. Don't piss about doing anything else. Build a real business. Build a real business. So that is what I believe is the difference between the two. Things like, with a private label business, you get to build your own brand and create your own products. And that's, good. I do wholesale. I actually like wholesale. I sell wholesale products on Amazon. Here's how I do that though. So when I have wholesale products, what I typically do is I use it as a way to test the market. So let's go back to Wolfgang, okay? So Wolfgang, if he did not have, and think this through, because I'm giving you an entire strategy here, if you did not have a mitt to sell, he just had an idea that he could target blokes in Australia who were into HSVs and Peter Brock with a really, really great homemade mitt. If he had that idea and he wanted to test it, he could wholesale a mitt on Amazon and put it to the test. Super easy to do. And for what? $60 worth of ads, $80 worth of product, he could have tested an entire business out for less than $150. You cannot do that anywhere else. So there's that. And so that's what I do. I use wholesale as a way of testing ideas. And then once I know something works, I then private label it and I keep wholesaling as well. It's not like I stop wholesaling. I carry on wholesaling that product, but then I build my own version of the product that I private label. So I do that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.